Now it's available on coffee cars. Mercedes C-Class Estate in grey color. It's got a front parking sensors, 17-inch alloy wheels, it's got rear parking sensors, electric tailgate, let's have a look inside the car. It's got a full black leather interior with 5 headrests, electric windows on the back, electric windows on the front and also electric and folding mirrors, electric driver and passenger seat. It's got a start-stop button, multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth and cruise control. It's got a sat-nav, reversing parking camera, radio and CD player, and panoramic roof. To book a test and get more information about this car, please give us a call.